In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lighten the background of a video in Descript. Whether you're aiming to create a softer look or need to enhance a visually dark scene, adjusting the lighting can make a world of difference. So, let's dive into the process together. First things first, go ahead and open your Descript project. Once you're in, locate the specific video clip whose background or overall scene you want to lighten. This is an essential step because we need to make sure we're working on the correct clip. Now, with your project up and running, you'll want to focus on the visual layer. In the timeline or scene editor within Descript, go ahead and click on the video layer, also known as the visual clip, that you're planning to adjust. This action ensures that any edits you make will specifically apply to that particular layer, preventing changes from affecting unwanted parts of your project. Next up is locating the Properties panel. With that visual layer selected, the Properties panel is usually situated over to the right-hand sidebar of your Descript interface. This panel is your control center for making alterations to your video. Once you're there, you'll need to add the Color Adjustments effect. Within the Properties panel, search for the Effects section. Here you'll find a variety of effects you can apply, and what you're looking for is Color Adjustments. Selecting this effect allows you to modify several color-related aspects of your video. With the Color Adjustments effect applied, it's time to tweak some settings. You'll notice an exposure option under this section, which serves as the main control for lightening or darkening your video. By increasing the exposure, your video will become lighter. This adjustment is crucial for brightening the video background effectively. As you make changes to the exposure, don't forget that you have additional settings at your disposal. Play around with adjusting highlights and shadows to refine how light is distributed across different parts of your scene. Tweaking the contrast can help emphasize or soften lines and edges, while saturation touches on the intensity of colors. Lastly, altering the temperature adjusts the warmth or coolness of your video's tones. These settings can help your background look more natural and balanced after increasing the brightness. When making these modifications, it's all about finding that sweet spot where everything looks just right. This is where you can truly personalize the look of your video. As always, feel free to experiment with slight changes to each setting until you achieve the desired appearance. Remember, every video may require different adjustments, so trust your eye and judgment during this process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively lighten the background of your video in Descript. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped bring new life to your video projects.